Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
I will show the only way to change your phone screensaver using system settings. This method works on most Android and iPhone models released after 2017. You need the photo or wallpaper saved at 1080 x 1920 or 16, 9 aspect ratio. Ensure you have the image in Photos or Gallery app ready to select. You should have at least 50 MB free storage for temporary processing. Unlock your phone and stay on the home screen during the process. Keep Wi-Fi off to open settings on your phone and tap wallpaper or display settings. If you do not see wallpaper, open the Photos or Gallery app instead. Locate the image and tap the Share or Set as option shown on screen. Crop or move the image to fill the 16, 9 or full screen area. Preview both lock screen and home screen placements before confirming your selection. Tap Set or Use as wallpaper and choose Home, Lock, or both accordingly. Return to the home screen to verify the new screensaver appears correctly. You cannot set animated GIF as static wallpapers on some phone models without conversion. Convert videos to live wallpaper using a trusted app. Keep video under 15 seconds and 20 MB. If your wallpaper shifts, disable parallax or perspective motion in accessibility or wallpaper settings. For battery savings, use static images and avoid bright 100% white backgrounds for lock screens. To restore the original screensaver, open Wallpaper and choose System Default or Stock Wallpaper option. Contact manufacturer support if settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.